Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. Today I'm showing you the beautiful lobe bob haircuts that will inspire you to grow up your bob short haircuts that I know you are adopting fashionable short haircuts. No doubt short haircuts are going always on trending and are demanding on summer these days. But some of girls want lob haircuts in the summer. If you one of from those, then this video for you. So let's start the video. But if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get my all new notification from my video and channel. So guys, today my video is about long bob haircuts and lobe haircut that will inspire you to grow up your short bob haircut that will be chin length with bangs. It depend on you and it will be also very graceful according to your personality. No doubt lobe haircuts are really gorgeous and beautiful. Make the personality dashing, more gorgeous, more beautiful, more dashing. Lobe haircut are really beautiful. You can grow your short haircut till your shoulder length, chin length. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your one of your favorite and most favorite haircut. And after get your favorite haircut, go to your salon and hairstylist and get your hairstyle. These all hairstyles are really beautiful that will make you beautiful. No doubt these all haircuts will give you look younger than your age. I will recommend you to adopt this haircut ASAP. I hope you all guys like my video. If you do, then don't forget to share this video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. In this way, you can and your family members can get latest notification and get up to date it about the latest fashion. While these all styles are really beautiful and awesome and unique, you can give me idea through comment section that which of hairstyle and what kind of video you want to see next. I will make video next for you guys. This will be my first priority and it will boost me to make video for you guys. You can appreciate me as well through comment section. It will be honor for me. So guys, keep watching, keep spouting, and keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, share and like it. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself and have a great hair day.